Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. In today's video, I will show you how to remove the open to work frame or status from your LinkedIn profile using just your phone. Let's get started. First, open the LinkedIn app on your phone. Make sure you are logged into your account. Then tap the profile picture in the top left corner to open the slide menu. Now tap on your profile picture. This will open your full LinkedIn profile where you can see your profile picture, headline and the open to work section. Scroll down until you see the section that says open to work or open to. It usually right under the profile headline or summary. Tap the pencil icon next to it to edit the settings. At the bottom of the edit screen, you will see an option that says delete from profile or remove from profile. Tap on it. LinkedIn will ask if you are sure. Just confirm by tapping delete or save. Now go back to your profile and refresh it. The green open to work badge on your profile photo and the section in your profile should be completely gone, and that's it. You have successfully removed the open to work status on LinkedIn. That's all for today's video, guys. I hope you guys like this video. If you found this video helpful, drop a like, subscribe for more videos. Thanks for watching and see you in the next one.